Keeping things spicy, adding excitement to everyday language. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and flavorful expression in the English language, keeping things spicy. This phrase is a metaphor that adds a dash of excitement to our conversations, and understanding it can enrich your language skills. So, let's explore what it means to keep things spicy, both literally and figuratively, and how you can use this expression to add some zest to your English. Before we get into the metaphorical use of the phrase, it's important to understand what spicy means on its own. Spicy refers to something containing spices, which are ingredients used to flavor food. Spicy flavors are often associated with heat or a strong taste that can change the flavor profile of a dish dramatically, making it more interesting and exciting. Now, when we say keeping things spicy in a figurative sense, we're talking about adding excitement, variety, or interest to a situation, relationship, or activity. Just like adding spices can transform a meal from bland to mouthwatering, incorporating new or unexpected elements into different aspects of life can make them more engaging and enjoyable. Examples in different contexts. In relationships, keeping things spicy might involve planning surprise dates, trying new activities together, or simply introducing new topics of conversation. At work, you could keep things spicy by tackling challenges in innovative ways, introducing fun team-building activities, or changing up the routine to keep the environment dynamic and stimulating. In personal hobbies or activities, adding variety to your routines, exploring new hobbies, or setting creative challenges for yourself can all be ways to keep things spicy. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it effectively in conversation is another. Here's how to seamlessly incorporate keeping things spicy into your English. When discussing plans with friends or loved ones, you might suggest, "Let's keep things spicy by trying out that new escape room this weekend." In a team meeting at work, you could say, "I think it's time we kept things spicy with our project approach. How about we brainstorm some out-of-the-box ideas?" Reflecting on personal growth or goals, you might express, "I've decided to keep things spicy this year by learning a new language and traveling to countries where I can practice it." And there you have it. Understanding and using the phrase, keeping things spicy, is a fantastic way to add some flair to your English conversations. It reflects the ability to embrace change, seek adventure, and enjoy the richness of life's experiences. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel inspired to sprinkle a little spice into your language and your life. Keep practicing, and until next time, keep things spicy.